শ্রেয়া, খুবই ভালো হয়েছে। যেতে যেতে খুব সুন্দরভাবে তুমি বললে।
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to share a beautiful story with moral from our reading material. Once upon a time, a monk lived in a village. One day, he was sitting on the bank of a river. Then a man came to him and said, "Sir, what are you doing?" Then the monk replied, "I am waiting to flow past of the river, then I will cross the." After hearing this, the man said the monk, "Sir, you will never be able to cross the river because they can't happen." Then the monk replied, "This is what I want to explain people who always says that one's life's responsibilities are fulfilled. So I will have fun. Just as the flow of water in a river never ends, same our responsibilities in life never ends. So we have to find a way to cross that. And the moral of the story, have fun, roam around, meet everyone, and serve. Thank you.
বাহ, শ্রেয়া, খুবই ভালো হয়েছে। যেতে যেতে খুব সুন্দরভাবে তুমি বললে।